Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. The memcached package is included in the latest version of Ubuntu default repository, so you can install it by running the following command. Once the memcache is installed, you can verify version by using the next command. To start the memcache service, run the following command. To enable the memcache service from the start of the system, run the next command. Also, you can check the status of memcached by running the following command. Memcached default configuration file is located at next address. You can edit it to change the default settings as per your requirements. Change the following lines. Save and close the file, then restart the memcached service to apply the next new configuration. If you are using a PHP-based application, then you will need to install some PHP extension to enable memcached. You can install it all by running the following command. Once all packages are installed, then enable the php-memcached module with the following command. Next, restart the Apache services to apply the changes. If you're using Python-based web application, you must install the Python memcached library on your server by running the next command. If you're using Perl-based web application, then you need to run the next command. Memcached provides a command line interface to interact with memcached directly using the command line. Run the telnet command to connect to memcached. You should see the following output. Next, run the following command to get an overview of your memcached service. You should get the following output. That's it. If you have any question, leave them in comments.